Sakhuleka-ke nabakaMahlangu Anabhulu, Umlilo Endulinde, obaSuwumantshonga, Belugqilibane, Igula TV. Silapha-ke namhlanje kwisikhumbuzo seNgonyama uCetshwayo Silosi Esondini. Bathi le nkundla-ke la kumiswe khona lesikhumbuzo yilapho kwakhiwa khona isigodlo sokugcina seNgonyama lapha inkathi ibuya phesheya kwey'lwandle. Lapha-ke isikhumbuzo salaba ababeyizikhulu zenkosi uCetshwayo, kubalwa-ke in memory of the following who served under the King Cetshwayo. Okubalwa-ke uMnyamane kaNgqengelele Buthelezi, umntwana Dabulamanzi kaMpande Zulu, umntwana Ndabuko kaMpande Zulu, umntwana uShingana kaMpande Zulu, umntwana uZiwedi kaMpande Zulu, uGawuzi Silwane Mpungose, uMatshana kaMondise Sithole, ubani lo Mavumengwana kaNdele Ntuli, umehlo kaZulu kaSihayo Ngobese, uMakhosana kaZonqwane Zungu, uQethuka kaMaqonqo Magwaza, uSomkhele kaMalanda Mkhwanazi, umShushwana kaMfusa Emdletsheni, uSintwangu kaDibandlela Cele, noMbilini Dlamini, umntwana waseSwazini, nabanye abaningi and many others. Lesi sikhumbuzo sakhiwe la ngasesigodlweni la okukhona khona namhlanje kuthiwa ngamaFakazulu, okwagcinwa ngamaFakazulu. So yilapho kuthiwa iNgonyama yakha khona isigodlo sayo okugcina la phezulu kwey'ntaba eduze kwaseYihlabeni. Mawubuka-ke la izwe laSondini lonke leli. Lapho-ke iNgonyama yagcinela ukubusela khona emva kokuba ibuya phesheya. Abamhlophe base bethathe cishe-ke konke okungokwayo, njengoba base bey'tshelile phela ukuthi ayisobuye ibuse ngamandla wayo, isiyobusa ngamandla abamhlophe. Lapho umbuso-ke wakwaZulu wahluthwa khona, wasekhombisa ukuthi sekuyoba khona uhulumeni namhlanje, uhulumeni lo ongasazi lutho ngobukhosi. Kwaba yilesi sikhathi-ke iNgonyama eyayibuya ngaso phesheya, isithathelwe wonke amandla wayo, ngoba ngaphambi kokuba iye phesheya umbuso wakwaZulu wawusayimele. Umhlaba lo okukhulunywa ngawo wawusaphethwe ngabantu bakwaZulu, usaphethwe iNgonyama, uphethwe ngamakhosi ewuphathele iNgonyama. Kodwa ekuhambeni kwesikhathi kwabe sekulahleka konke lokho emva kokuba iNgonyama sebeyithathile bayisa phesheya kwey'lwandle. Bayithathela-ke konke okungokwayo nabantu bakwaZulu ababekade-ke beyingxenye yokubuswa kobukhosi bakwaZulu. La kuthiwa-ke futhi nasi isikhumbuzo salabo abafa empini yomhla ka-21 July 1883, in memory of the following who died here in the battle of 21st July 1883. uDilikana kaMahlakanyana Mbatha, uGodide kaNdlela Ntuli, uHayiyana kaMaphitha Zulu, uMbopha kaUlizibu Hlabisa, uMnqandi kaMatshana Sibisi, uNdwandwe kaMdlaka Langa, uQongwana kaSithayi Zulu, uNgongcwana kaSithayi Zulu, uNtshingwaye kaMahole Khoza, uSekethwayo kaNhlaka Mdlalose, uSihayo kaXhongo Ngobese, uVuma kaNdaba kaNtethi Biyela, umuzi kaManyusi Mbatha, ubani lo uBhangethe kaMangidi Biyela, uMasingana kaMaqonqo Magwaza, uMbadana kaNdlela Ntuli, nomntwana kaMancengwana kaManyusi Mbatha, nabanye abaningi. Laba kuthiwa zikhulu-ke lezi ezakhothama ngesikhathi uNtwana kaMandlakazi egasela ekuseni. Kuthiwa-ke khumbula ukuthi umlando wala kuyaye kuthiwe-ke kwathi ekuseni iy'ntombi ziyokha amanzi iphumile ondini, iy'khulu ezakuzona ezazothi iNgonyama emva kokubuya kwayo kuyo le ndawo. Bathi zazikhona nje lapha ngaphansi ezibuya iy'ntombi, okwabe sekungena khona-ke uMagasi wagasela khona-ke, wabe seyishaya zonke-ke iy'khulu kaZulu. Bathi wahlala-ke kule ndawo namabutho ayehamba nawo ukuba zonke iy'nsizwa ezalala ngalolu suku zingangcwatshwa, kodwa-ke zibe zidliwe ngamanqe. Lokho kwakuwumyalelo-ke kaSomtsewu kaSonzica emva kokuba iy'khulu zikaZulu sey'hambe zaya lapha emthonjaneni la kwakubukelwa khona iNgonyama, zafike zathetha zabuza ukuthi uma ningasayi iNgonyama niyibuyisa kanje izodlani, ngoba bonke ngesikhathi isejele, ngenkathi niyithathile abantu bebedla-ke iy'nkomo zayo, isizodlani manje. Nokwagcina-ke kuthiwa-ke kwaphuma-ke isabelo emva kwaleso sikhathi, kodwa kwabe sekuza ingxoxo ey'qhubekayo-ke emva kwalokho. Kodwa-ke neNgonyama ayibangisabusa isikhathi eside ukusuka manje kuya phambili, ngoba kuthiwa-ke this memorial or to commemorate the death of King Cetshwayo on the 8th February 1884. Ngonyama yakhothama ngomhla ka-8 kuFebruary ngo-1884, was erected by the KwaZulu Monuments Council in 1985. The last owned and royal residence of King Cetshwayo was built on this site after his return from exile in January 1883. The British objective of destroying the Zulu kingdom after 1873 led to the tragic civil war, and at the dawn of 21st July 1883, the Mandlakazi supporters of Zimbabwe Peter attacked Ondini and burnt it down. The Sotho loyal to the king were caught by surprise and defeated, were many killed and many others, included the king. The king were wounded. The king took refuge into Inkandla forest and later to a shore where he died. Lesikhumbuzo sakhiwa uphiko lomkhandlu isikhumbuzo wakwaZulu oluqoqa izimali ngomnikelo eyanikelwa ngumkhandlu wakwaZulu wezezimali ukufakwa kwazo. The Monument of KwaZulu-Natal Foundation project financed by donation from the KwaZulu Finance and Investment Corporation. Izona-ke umlando-ke Ngonyama Mcetshwayo lo, njengoba kuthiwa-ke nayo iNgonyama ngesikhathi-ke kuhlaselwa iy'khulu zikaZulu la ngawo wona lo nyaka. INgonyama bathi-ke yahlatshwa bayigwaza-ke ethangeni. Emva kwalokho-ke yabe isiphuma-ke nayo ngey'ntuba zayo yaze-ke yobhaca ehlathini-ke enkandla, lapho eyahlala khona yasuka lapho-ke yayishona la yashonela khona. Kunjalo-ke nabakaMamunga woSuthu, uMamunga Bulela Sizwe Liqotha Imbokodo nesekela iGula TV. Siyabonga kakhulu. Ufike ungazange usubscribe, please do subscribe. Usilandele kokuningi, siyabonga kakhulu.